What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing a little install on the 2015 Dyna lowrider. So on Black Friday, obviously, I was doing a little shopping online and I had to get a few little things for the bikes. So I ended up getting these awesome looking foot pegs for the Dyna. So I got the front pegs and I got the passenger pegs, just go with it. So a whole bunch of stuff in there. I got it from Boosted Brad. And they also sent me this one sticker. They're gonna send me more stickers, but only one sticker. So yeah, Death Metal Racing, Boosted Brad. They also sent me out this patch with a skull on the American flag and it was all blue and white. It looks pretty cool. So what we're gonna do now is show you guys a nice little close-up look of the pegs, all the details on them, what I think about them, finish, cleanliness and everything. And what I wanna do is also compare these to the Flow foot pegs that I got on the 2020 Lowrider S here. So just to give you guys a little nice comparison, these to those. They're both MX styles type of foot pegs, but very, very, very different in their own little unique ways. So let's get into it. So this is the sticker here that they sent. So we're gonna put that on the sticker wall. This is the little flag patch that they sent as well. I think it's pretty cool. And here is the actual foot peg. The blue is like a really nice blue. It's not like a deep royal blue. It's like a nice, like a deep ocean blue. Kind of like the blue diamond from Titanic. But yeah, like I said, MX style. So feels great. It feels like I'm gonna have plenty of grip on there. Finish, I gotta say, is really nice. Nice and clean all over. You could tell that it was very well made. Made also in the US of A. Right here in the middle, you're gonna have that, that Death Metal Racing emblem. Alright, so we got a side-by-side comparison here. The ones from Boosted Brad actually look a bit bigger. The detail difference is that the ones on the Flow foot pegs, like the spikes are like that silver color, and these are just painted in all blue. And then these are like kind of like a teeth mark. These are like, they call them bear traps, so that's what it is. Kind of like a bear trap type of foot peg. So it's a pretty nice unique design, as opposed to these is just like kind of like spikes. So pretty cool. These in the middle have the both spikes here in the middle. This one just has the logo with the X. Pretty cool, man. Nice little difference. I'll probably be doing like a follow-up video to see which ones, you know, have better grip and which ones I prefer later on. So I'll be doing that later down the line. So obviously the main reason why I went with blue is because the blue color on the tank. This is like a little deeper blue, but once they're on from afar, it's gonna look like, it's not gonna, you know, it's not gonna be much difference. It's gonna look really nice. We're gonna have the back ones here, the front ones there. I just noticed that my phone actually matches everything as well. So we got blue, blue, blue. We're gonna take this wrench, put it in the bottom and hold that nut right there. Hold that nut. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put it in place here and adjust it to kind of the level where I'm gonna have it, which is right there. And then I'm just gonna tighten this up right now, because I know that's gonna be the exact place where I'm gonna want to put my foot at. All right, so now we're gonna take our bolt, feed it through. I used the same washer that was in there before, just so it could be nice and wedged, because without that stock washer, it was gonna be a bit loose and I don't want to rattling around or anything like that. That's it. What we're gonna do now is tighten back up, and we are ready to roll, baby. Ready to roll. There you go. So I'm still able to move that up if I want to. Just move that out of place, and then finally leave it down there. That's a pretty nice little sturdy place where I want to put it at. Feels good. I can always adjust it just in case if later on I go out on a ride and maybe I want to tilt it this way just a tad bit. I could do that easily. So that's the easy fix. So now that we got that one done, we're going to go ahead and do the back one. Remember, you're gonna be reusing this washer. All right, so you're able to move that out of place or put it back down. just move it up for now because we want to keep that nice little clean line of the TBR exhaust right there. Alright guys, so that was the install. Pretty easy, as you can see. Like I always tell you, I'm not a mechanic, so if I could do it, you sure could do it. This whole little process should take you around 5 to 10 minutes of doing your garage. Real simple, real fun to do. Just makes your bike pop out so much. I know that they also come in black, they come in this blue color, anodized gold, and a few other colors in there. So if you guys aren't interested in getting any of these foot bags, I'm gonna be linking the description down in the description box. If this is the type of content you're into, you're definitely in the right place. This is my 2015 Dyna lowrider, which I'm building on little by little, and also the 2020 Lowrider S, which we still have tons and tons of work to do on it. Like always guys, let the force be with you, ride safe, and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.